guys, we had quite the little chore this morning. This is my outdoor fridge, and it looks like a Coke exploded, and then a dead body in here too. I mean, my God, this is gross. I gotta go through this, throw out, clean this all out, and we'll see how it goes. Mini fridge. Let's go back over here. Regular Coke. Down here is the mini fridge. Now let's do this. Oh boy. Ew. Yuck. I actually didn't get that. If I ever use the old, I wonder how long this has been in here. This has got to be expired. I'm throwing this out. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let's just start throwing some stuff down here. I might have to go ahead and stick it all out. I'd rather not do all that. Oh, fantastic. Let's see what we get down here. Let's go up a little bit higher. Hold on. How do we go up higher? Here we go. Yeah. Can you see it now? Yeah, we see our crap in here. Can't really see this. What do we got here? Can't really see. There we go. We'll be able to go see this. Hopefully afterward. Let's hope it's a lot better. What's in here? Shots. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. So this is before. Down here. Okay. I need to get me a little butternut. Let me get that on. Maybe not. Where do I need to get here? I do have a scrub brush right there. I might have to take these out and wash them. I'd rather not. But I might have to. What's the difficulty level? I might have to pull the whole thing. What's this? Put some of this stuff off of here. Close this back up. I'll be right back. I'll try to rinse this out of the whole thing. Good luck here. Find the water everywhere. Got anything here? One second. Whoa, heavier than I thought. Up we go. Done. Alright, let's go ahead and put this bad boy back in. Get the top up here still bad. Right above it, I gotta figure this out. I can't get that out. Gotta figure out how to get that out. That little edge is after driving me nuts. Everything else looks pretty good. Give me a minute, as I sweat to death.
Alright, far from perfect down here, but I gotta get this down here, but I've gotta get this lifted up and oh, there it is. I think I can pop it out. It's just stuck. See if I can't break that and get it out here in a minute, and I'll get that, but I still gotta get this door over here first. How did I switch that?
And down here. I got this thing all the way out to where I can't see nothing. I'm trying my best, guys. This is hard work for this old man. Clean out the damn refrigerator. Figure out down there. Just gross. So let's hit this first. I know this is coming out somehow. If I can get something wrong, I get it right the second time. There we go. But it's a garage fridge and does its job. There's our waters and some drinks cold and whatever else Kathy decides to throw in here. But this is my fault because this is a bunch of Cokes and crap that all got down in here. Oh, that's better. We'll go down here now, see if I can keep that on camera. Probably not. There we go. Thing down here. A big spray. Get a little steak here. This is a garden steak. gonna scrape this whole thing up. There we go. Let's go. Pretty good. Yeah. Got some paint on at this point, but that looks a heck of a lot better. Let me do this now. Put this feet back. I could go in and do these, but I think I'm just gonna spray them down out here with this. What kills me, I just sweat off my brow, what kills me is all the bending. I have a really bad back. And it's not even that hot out here in Texas this morning, but look at that. Plus, I'm really out of shape this year. I was about 40 pounds lighter last summer, so I gotta get, this will be a start to it. This ain't that bad, but I'll just hit this with some fantastic. I can probably use this whole bottle up. Should just go inside and rinse this, but whatever. Might have to do that anyway. Pretty darn good there, but I'll be right back and we'll take this inside. And this is what it looks like before. That's actually pretty clean now, better. And we'll take these and rinse it in the sink. Oh yeah, little rinse off in the sink. Some Dawn dish soap. Like new again. Let's put these bad boys back in here. Go back down here a little bit for everybody to see here. There we go. This one's on the bottom. I'm gonna figure out how to put it in, but I guess I'll do that here. Like this. That one's easy. This one we go like this. Oh, we can get this one. There we go. There we go. Oh, no. This one went down here, I believe. There we go. There we go. Compared to what it was, now let me get this down here at the very bottom before I pull back. You know, glass is clean now from this thing. Now let me get the inside and get that. See if I can't break this tempered glass here real fast. I'm trying to get this done. Move away here. See, my issue up in here is this. I guess you can see that. Right there, let me clean this up. This is fantastic. That's the only option I have. Sit there for a minute, break it down. That's some thick stuff. So let's sit here and break it down. I'll wipe it down here. So we got. Some dirty stuff. Getting there though. Gotta get my pick here. Should have known I needed to get. Can't reach it. Can't get to anything. Can't bend anywhere. I guess I'll have to show y'all here. Somewhat. Big ring in here, y'all saw. Stuff on coat. Sticky coat. There you go. Trying to loosen it. That's all I'm doing here. Loosen this up. I'll wipe it down. A little bit more on here. This might be it for me. Oh, I got any more left in the tank for this, man. Let's clean it up. Holy, I'm gonna blot the brow first. Nope. Almost there. Get the inside of this door here. We'll get that done. That crap? That's a crap, not here. Let me get one corner right here. Alright, kids. Much better there. Now, perfect. I'll get inside that drawer a little bit. Come back. Now, what's over here? Pop this back on here. Or this back in here. Oh, yeah. How dirty this stuff can get. The finished product. Not perfect. I didn't get the top up there, but holy cow, it's clean now. It's much better over here. Good night, Larry.